It's a Colt 45, model 1991, Series 80 firing pin safety. Check to clear the pistol, release the magazine. The magazine is empty. Pull the slide back, lock the slide in position, check the barrel. This gun is empty. Put the safety on, rotate the barrel bushing thusly. Allow the recoil spring to extrude or remove it. Turn the barrel bushing in the other direction. And then turn, lift it up. Move the slide back. Take the gun off safety, move the slide back, push out the slide stop. Take out the barrel. This pistol is now fully field stripped. To reassemble the pistol, reverse the order. Slide the barrel in. Take the recoil spring guide, attach it to the recoil spring, thusly. Slide the recoil spring into the slide, taking care that the ears of the recoil spring guide point downwards into the slide, again, and rest against the barrel. Line up the slide notches in the slide with the frame rails. Make sure that the Series 80 safety is flush with the frame. Slide the slide back. At this point, I like to pick the gun up and hold it up to the light to make sure that the barrel length is lined up with the hole. Appears to be so. And test it by inserting the slide stop. If it's lined up, the slide will not come off. It is lined up. Pull the slide back, line up the slide notch, the notch in the slide with the slide stop opening. Slide on the slide stop. Push forward, put the safety back on. Take the recoil spring plug, place it over the recoil spring. Take the barrel bushing, insert the barrel bushing so that the feet are pointing to the left-hand side of the pistol. Rotate it back around so it points to the right-hand side of the pistol. Push the recoil spring plug down while rotating the slide back. Do it again until it clicks all the way. Take the gun off safety. This gun is now fully reassembled and ready for service.